good morning, one and all present here. Today, we are having with us Neha ma'am, who is an enthusiastic learner. And for taking her interview, we are having DTM Richa with us, who is a soft skills trainer and also an entrepreneur, and heading a special wow series. Stage is over to you, ma'am.
Tom is so excited to have you here. He thought that like enthusiastic learners are the most genius people. So what
So
do you
I
have
am.
to say?
So
What do
I
you
am.
have to say about it? ये enthusiastic learner का क्या role है हमारी life में? बताइए.
Like, ma'am, what I think is there is no age of learning. Every one of us are learning. Like, whether you are old or child, everyone is learning. There is no age of learning. And I am 34-year-old
Oh
homemaker.
my God.
Yeah, I have two daughters, but I'm still learning. I'm still learning each and every day, each moment I'm learning something new from everyone. We all are learners here.
Learning never stops, isn't it?
Yeah, right. Learning never
और
stops.
what do you have to say about positivity? Positivity क्या होता है?
Positivity is it's basically peace of mind. Like, you have very many difficulties in life. Whatever difficulties come, you take it within a positive manner. You didn't panic. You didn't panic in any situation. Whatever happens, you don't panic. Like,
Absolutely.
yeah, there's peace of mind. Whatever you are doing, there's peace of mind. You are doing it in a calm way, composed way. You don't panic in any situation, whatever the life throws at you.
Wow, very nice. What do you have to say about Gaur Gopal Das? What are your learnings from him?
Yeah, he gives everyone a very good learning. Every video, whatever I see from his videos, all the videos, he start from a story actually, so we can easily connect with it. In every video, he gives a story so that the audience can easily connect themselves with his stories. And he's very positive, motivating, always motivating. He gives positivities, and I feel very good listening to him.
What is one thing that you would like to steal from Sandeep Maheshwari ji? One thing that you would like to steal from Sandeep.
His motivation power, his positivity.
Oh my God. And what is one thing that you would like to give to the next generation?
The power of vibration. Actually, the power of vibration plays a vital role in everybody's development. The way we think is the way we create. Like, I heard a video of VK Shivani. She gives a very beautiful example. I'll share it with you. Like, let us visualize. There's a person who creates a thought that I am tired. He is creating the thought, I am tired, I am tired, I am tired. And he enters the house with this thought. His wife asks him, are you tired? He says, yes, I am tired. तो वो जाकर आकर बच्चों को बोलती है, आज पापा बहुत थके हुए हैं, उनको परेशान मत करना. So the whole house is created that, has created that energy कि papa is tired, papa is tired, and papa is tired. Papa is tired, that is reality, but only 50%. And we have the power to change it by what we are thinking. Now let us do its opposite. If the person enters the house with the vibration that I am energetic, I am fresh, I am vibrant, and now he is entering the house. सामने वाले ने पूछा, are you tired? Then he says, नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. He says, पक्का. His body language is showing that he is tired, but he's not saying it. He's saying, no, I'm fresh. Now he will see the difference. This power of vibration plays a vital role.
Absolutely. Whatever you give comes back to you. If you give positivity, positivity will come to you. If you give love, love will come to you. Yeah,
They will start vibrating at high frequency thoughts and words.
Very well said. What are the 3 things that you have learned in last 15 days?
The value of our family members, importance and value of family members. And I also learned that we should certainly give time to ourselves, like for meditation, for yoga. I have started doing it from last 1 month only. I didn't do it before, but I have started doing it. And we should give quality time to our kids as well. In spite of doing busy in work all the time, we should spare some time for them also. Quality time.
Wow. What do you have to say about life is an event? Life is an event. इसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
Life is an event. Yeah, we can. Life is an event. Certainly, life is an event, because, like, we are seeing this. This COVID-19 has attacked all of us, and we have never expected. Nobody has expected that this is going to happen in our lives. Now the world would be before COVID and after COVID, like it used to be before World War and after World War. So life is full of uncertainties, and like that.
Absolutely. And we are in that transition phase, I feel that all of us who are witnessing this phase will be very much distinguished people.
Right. I don't know how the world would be after COVID-19. It would be totally changed.
Let's be positive, isn't it?
It would be changed in positive manner also.
Yeah. What is trust for you? Trust क्या होता है?
Trust is, having faith. You can, if there is a trust between me and my husband, then I don't need to give him any, proof for my things. I don't need to prove him that I have done this. No, I have not done this. No, I have not done that. I have said it means he trusts me. He will not question me about that.
Wow.
That
Very
is
nice.
trust.
Now we have a set of rapid fire questions for you. In rapid fire, it will be quick. Okay? Whatever comes in your mind, just speak out from your heart. The first is dream big.
To be at the top.
Fake it till you make it.
I don't think so.
Quitters.
Never wins.
Life is a race.
We have to win it.
Selling everything.
Is possible.
Better to have one than many.
One.
Right or left?
Both.
Okay. Now I have started believing that enthusiastic people, enthusiastic learners are the most successful people in life, because they keep learning, they keep adding something new in their life.
Right.
So I wish you all the best in your success journey ahead. And now we have Shubham waiting eagerly to have some conversation with you.
Yeah,
Over
sure.
to Shubham.
Thank you, ma'am, giving me the chance to ask the questions. Like, one question I want to ask is, like, what keeps you so much motivated and like enthusiastic? I can saw the superb enthusiasm in you right now.
Thanks for your kind words. I'm humbled.
So what makes you like so much enthusiastic?
Like, I love to be around positive people. It doesn't mean that you are always avoiding negative people. You have to. Life gives you so much challenges that you have to be around them also. But I love to be around positive people. I love to read positive content, and I love to see positive videos. For that, I'm following Gaur Gopal Das, as Mrs. Richa said, DK Shivani, and then Sandeep Maheshwari. I also keeps on seeing Jay Shetty's video. So all these things keep me motivated and enthusiastic. And I think one should always, in a day, should at least 15 minutes give to himself to do these positive things, to stay motivated.
True that. Thank you so much, ma'am, for like giving your time to us.
Thank you, Shubham.
Richa,
Thank
ma'am.
you so much.
It was a pleasure and honor to have you today. I think so. That is one big reason what connected us. That is positivity, isn't it?
Right.
I am
I'm
also
true.
a very optimistic person, and you are also.
I also keeps on seeing your videos as well, and I get motivated from them also.
Thanks a lot, and stay connected. Thanks a lot for sparing your valuable time.
Thank you,
Bye-bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
My pleasure, ma'am. Thank you. Bye-bye.